Hi, and welcome to my channel, and today we will be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm, which is July 2021, and all I've done was taken the sticker off of it. And hi, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jennifer. We do unboxings here. We do lots of stuff regarding to makeup, but we also talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia. And if you are into either or both of those subjects, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified of all my future videos coming out, because we are trying to get to 100. I keep wanting to say 100K, but that is so not what I'm trying to do. 100 subs. That's what I'm trying to do. And I'm going to be doing a 100 sub giveaway. Giveaway, not give away. Giveaway. So go ahead and subscribe. I do a lot of unboxings here on my channel too. So if you're interested in unboxings, this is the place you'll want to be. So I'm messing with my box. That's what the sounds you're hearing. So if you're interested in seeing what's in my BoxyCharm, stay right there because we are getting right into it. Okay, if you're interested in my eye look, then you'll definitely want to subscribe because this is coming up tomorrow on my channel using the new e.l.f. Electric Mood palette. So stay tuned for that. Okay, I am opening up my box and the first thing I see is the card, and it is Fantasy. And it has all the things in there. Okay, I'm looking in this and it just looks powerful. Let's go first to my choice. BoxyCharm did so well last month. I chose the Hydrating Complexion Trio from Alamar. Oops, that fell out. Which is beautiful, I think. It has a little highlighter here, 2 bronzers. That'll work out for me. Let's see what it says about that. Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. Add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio, which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look. Designed with skin tone and skincare in mind, they are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for a hydrated and buttery smooth finish, vegan and cruelty-free. MSRP $25. So I'm very happy with this choice and can't wait to use it. Okay, the next product in here, let's just go down the list, is the Lifestyle Co. Detox Hair Serum. Okay, I'm on a journey with my hair. And I opened it at the wrong end. And I use specialized products in my hair. And I don't really need a hair serum. But that's what she looks like. And it says, nourish and balance the scalp and hair with this hydrating elixir. Made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond oils, this plant-based formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, which I do not have, promotes healthy growth, and leaves your hair shiny and soft. MSRP is $79. Maybe somebody would like that. Maybe I will put it in my giveaway and let somebody else enjoy that. Okay, next from Mud Masky, it is a vitamin infused eye serum. which I have so many eye serums. I think this will go into my giveaway as well, as it has a MSRP of $63. This delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times, the delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin with a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect. This serum is ideal for all skin types. So I know somebody out there needs a good eye serum. Okay, next from Grande Cosmetics, Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. There she is right there. I think I will keep this. And let's swatch her in there for you. That might be interesting. There. A plumping liquid highlighter infused with a rapid skin lifting serum. Then uplift, I don't know what that word means, to firm and tighten fine lines. Okay. This pearlescent formula provides the plumping and nourishing power to give your skin a radiant, luminescent glow. Oh, and obviously that's something for your fine lines as well. Who knew? Okay. The last product in here is from Billion Dollar Brows, and it is Brows On Point Micro Pencil. When precision matters, this Brows On Point Micro Brow Pencil will help you get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want, and can create hair-like strokes for a natural-looking eyebrow. I can't get it out. And the colored taupe. I keep wanting to use eyebrow pencils. Oh, and this is very microfine. And the tip already broke off. And yeah, that worked for me. And it comes with a spoolie on the other end. So, to recap, I got the Billion Dollar Brows On Point Micro Pencil. I got the Grande Cosmetics Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter, which I am interested to find out more about. I got the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum, which is going into my giveaway. I got the Lifestyle Co. Hair Detox Serum, which is going into my giveaway. And I got the Alamar Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complex Trio, which I am keeping for myself. So, that is my BoxyCharm box for July 2021. And probably one of the least exciting boxes I've gotten in a long time. What happened to giving us eyeshadow palettes in our base boxes? Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the base box. What happened to giving us a choice of eyeshadow palettes in our base box. I used to always I got one last time, but not everybody got an eyeshadow palette. Used to, everybody got an eyeshadow palette, it seemed like. And I'm just kind of perturbed with this box. I'm not that happy. Leave me a comment down below. Give this a big like if you like this. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm, if you're happy with your BoxyCharm or not. And, like I said, give me a subscribe if you like unboxing material. And, yeah, that's all I've got for you. I hope you are having a wonderful day out there, and if you are not, I sure hope your day gets better and follows you through the week and into the weekend, and if you are having an especially hard time, I will hopefully send you those good vibes out there, and hopefully you will make it through your rough patch with time. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And I wish you all good BoxyCharms. But I think that the premiums are getting all the good luck this time. So I bid you farewell and goodbye, and I'll see you next time.